Hi, welcome to Backstage Pass. My name is Kim and this is Rachel, and we're here in the lovely lobby of the Historic Holmes Theatre. And so yeah, we're excited. We're into July. It's July. What happened to June, people? What happened to June? It's so crazy, yeah. So what do we got coming up?
We of course have Tuesdays in the Park going on. If you're watching this at the beginning of the week, this Tuesdays on July 2nd is Dakota Jazz Big Band.
Ooh, cool.
And they are Fargo's own 16-piece high energy band. And next Tuesday, July 9th, we have Larry Swenson coming, and he does a lot of like family sing-along music.
Okay.
And he's got 2 people coming along and singing with him. So again, this music always starts at 7 p.m. Bring a lawn chair or blanket, come and go as you please, and come early for Picnic in the Park, which is a fundraiser for Fuller Center for Housing.
That's awesome.
In the Art Cellar, we do have on July 15th have some still life drawing classes coming up. There's one for teens ages 13 to 18 and adults ages 18 plus.
Okay.
So check those out, go on our website. And we also have a really cool oil painting 2-day workshop coming. So artist Arthur Norby, he is based out of Arizona, but he's Minnesota born. He's an award-winning oil painter.
Okay.
And so he is coming and he is doing a 2-day cloud landscape.
Wow.
Yeah, a workshop. So those are bring your own supplies. We've done ones like this before.
Okay.
And experience is required. And yeah, come and see him. Learn how to paint these beautiful landscapes. If you go on the Holmes Art Cellar website, you'll see some samples of his beautiful paintings.
That's awesome.
And we're also doing a free artist talk with him on July 11th in the Art Cellar at 6:30 if you want to come and meet him.
Okay, that's very cool. That's a very cool opportunity. So, awesome. Happy July.
Yes.
Lots of things. For the 4th of July, just a reminder, the box office is technically closed this week. If you had some questions, you can pop up and check to see if the theater office is somebody's in there. We are kind of minimizing staff on the theater side too. So, but the box office is closed. You can check out stuff online. On the fitness side, I just want to put out there on Thursday, July 4th, the fitness and aquatic center will be closed. There won't be any classes either scheduled that day, either inside or outside. That is just a close. So we can spend some time with the holiday, celebrating the holiday with our family and friends. And then just check the schedule kind of as we go here. On Wednesday and Friday of that week, so this week, so the 3rd and the 5th, the rec will also be closed, which is that outdoor fun, which I'll talk more about next week. But the rec is closed. So the rec is open this week, Monday and Tuesday. Again, free play for kids from 9 a.m. to noon, and then from 1 until 4 o'clock. Lots of cool games and activities. It's been fun to see all the kids down there. Tuesdays typically is like for kids that want to maybe play some t-ball in the morning, and then they do a craft, and so that's kind of a fun opportunity if you have some kids that age that are interested. Tuesdays is a nice day to go down there. From the fitness side too, we have a massage therapist. Just a reminder, her name is Brenna. She's actually going to be shifting rooms here pretty soon, but so I just am letting you know if you're interested in getting an appointment booked with her. She is phenomenal. I was working the front desk, and somebody had come up from having a massage with her, and she was almost in tears because she was just so good and so relaxed, and so it's really fun to see that. So we have she has deep tissue, and then she also does some Swedish massage as well. So it's a really good opportunity. If you're looking for some relaxation, you've been gardening a lot, maybe mowing because your grass is growing like crazy because of all the rain we've had. So check that out as well. Gift certificates are available if you want to make a great gift coming up. So that's awesome. And then we also, just a reminder, we have our Engage Coach trips. There is some information on our website about that, but we have a Minnesota Twins trip coming up yet. We have a senior day at the Minnesota State Fair, and then we have the Minnesota Renaissance Fair coming up. All our coach trips and all are available to register online, so you can do that as well and get registered for that. For the Engage information, if you're looking for more activities and things that are happening with our Engage crew, there's a little tab on the center side. You can click on that, and the calendar's there. You can also pick up a full calendar at the front desk. If you're looking for fitness and aquatics classes, we have our full class schedule out. Our July schedule is out, very similar to June, so you can check out our July class schedule. There's indoor and outdoor activities out there as well. So for all that information and more, you can check out our website at dlccc.org. We'll see you next week on Backstage Pass.